This is a tip for the AX4N transmission. Right here, I'm gonna show you the difference on the shaft. They got a brand new rings right here, right? So, but still, got a lot of plate on it, right? So what I did, it's this one right here. I use 4065 rings, and you can move it, and it's not moving. It's nice, tight. So it's a good thing for the shaft can seal really good, and you don't have a leak right here. I use the blue color for the 4065, or either way you can use the green. Just gotta cut it same way the yellow is, and then you're gonna have it ready. This plate is gone. See, it's not moving.